Coffee in hand, toes in the sand. Welcome to Life by the Lake at this beautifully renovated beach home in the heart of Blue Point. Inside, this open concept design welcomes you with warm sunlit spaces, beautiful textures, and luxury finishes throughout.
And the best part, this wall of windows that brings the lake to you with a panoramic view from morning till night.
Enjoy those same stunning views in your luxurious primary retreat, complete with built-in cabinets, a luxurious ensuite, and a walk-in closet.
Step out of your living room to a backyard oasis that's like a retreat, which features cathedral ceilings, fire pit, and is perfect for your morning coffee.
This fully finished basement is made for laid-back living with this cozy family room, extra bedroom for guests, and a sleek 3-piece bathroom. Come home to comfort, elegance,
and the rhythm of the lake.